Lauderdale, when and let her pick up whatever she want. 60 Gucci hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a mess, I'm finna nail her ass.
We are officially on vacation, second vacation of the year. We're cruising this time, and we flew in the day before our ship leaves. So we're staying in Fort Lauderdale at the W Hotel. Let me show you guys the room. Buckle up, because you're in for a treat. So they upgraded us to a suite with 2 living rooms. This is the initial overview. First bedroom. This is like an apartment with the tub, shower, toilet. Okay. Balcony, of course. And look at the view. Wow. Okay, and then I guess you guys are featured. Kitchen, you guys might as well say hi. You're like trying to whisper. We have a full kitchen, guys. We're here for less than 24 hours.
They have wine glasses, cups, plates. Look in the fridge. Bowls. Oh, yes.
There's a stocked fridge, lightly stocked. We're not touching that stuff, but it's nice notes there. Yeah, I mean, get into this. There's more. I don't know if I showed you guys the living room right here. Secondary living room. Second bedroom. Yes. So, and then a second bathroom. I mean, this is perfect for the girls because it's 4 of us. So, you know, we need our space to do what needs to get done. Like, I'm sorry. This is perfect. And then the 2, these are sofa beds. So they pull out. Everyone can have their own bed. And another balcony. Come on now. Guys, it's jumping. I'm not gonna lie, I'm obsessed with this hotel. Like, I could come to Florida and just stay here and have a good time. Like, look, there's a whole pool party going on. And then it's right by the water. It's literally right in front of the water. Hey guys, it is 5:44. So we were at the restaurant for a while. It's called Senior Frog. The ambiance in terms of like the vibes are high. Good music, they're giving out shots, they have someone that's keeping the party alive. So that part was good. The food was a 0 out of 10. The wings, the nachos, the tacos, everybody's meal was very underwhelming. I would just go there for the vibe. But we're back at the hotel because, as you guys know, we're only here for a couple of hours and it's super nice. I got a pina colada. Very delicious. Perfect. But I'm so excited to go on the ship. We're going on Allure of the Seas. I don't know if I said that. Never been on the ship before. They recently did some upgrades, renovations. I have a surprise that I'm excited to show you guys when we get on the ship. After this, we're gonna go to the mall because I need to find an all-white outfit for white night. Because I feel like I never have one prepared. So we're having yoga in the morning on the courtyard at 8 a.m. At 8 to 9. The room that we got a suite, and it comes with 2 free beach chairs and 2 towels for the beach across the street.
Everybody's involved with this year. It doesn't.
Come here, rude boy, boy. You thinking that take it, I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you be a pain. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. Work, 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 work. When you walk a la la la, da 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 da. Hey.
It is late. Because we don't have time to wait for food to be delivered now.
So we got the mahi tacos. So good. 10 out of 10. Just a little appetizer before the ship.
You'll have to save space. This is good. It's spicy. Isn't it good? Yeah, right?
We were saying we should have came here yesterday.
Yeah, we probably should have come here instead of going where we went. People, note to self.
Yeah, so we came here because they gave us a $50 credit and it worked out perfectly. So if you stay at the W, I would just come right to this restaurant downstairs. It's called El Vez. It's a Mexican place. So far so good. They have indoor outdoor seating and it's right in front of the beach. I don't know if you guys can see.